How to create community in Tumblr. If you are using the Tumblr application and wondering on how to create community on it, don't worry. In this video, I will show you how to do it. So let's get started. First of all, open the Tumblr application. Just like this. After opening it, you will find something like this on your home screen. Now tap onto your profile icon at the bottom right here. Select it. Then here you can find your name just right here at the top. Now tap on it. Then here you can find create a new blog. Now simply select it. Now give a name to your blog. For example, your fandom community. Then tap on to done. Now you have created a community. Now simply customize your community page. Now simply give a name. Just like this. Then you can simply change the background as well, just like this. You can also add the accent, and you can simply change the font and color as well. Now simply tap on to update and tap on to save. And now you can see you have simply created a community. And that's it. This is how you can make or create community in Tumblr. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.